Hello friends, I hope all are doing well. Today I would like to talk on India's first emergency landing strip called Assam's Dibrugarh-Moran Highway Emergency Landing Strip. It's inaugurated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 14 February 2026. That emergency landing facility built on NH37. It's an old numbering highway, but renamed in 2010 and called NH127 and NH715 National Highway. The distance of emergency landing strip around 4.2 km. It's located in Assam state. There has one town called Moran town. It's located at Dibrugarh district in Assam state. Talking about the distance that strip to China around 160 km, Bangladesh 400 km and Myanmar 320 km. Why India built emergency landing strip on that highway? Because in northeast state required emergency landing strip due to in future calamities like natural disaster and future modern warfare. There has that space why chosen by Indian government for build emergency landing strip because there has a straight road, straight way which has useful for emergency landing strip. The way straight around 4.2 km. Second reason, less population located around that strip. Third main reason, no electric pole, neither trees are there. That reason, that space useful for emergency landing. Around 120 national highways has in northeastern state and northeast state Siliguri corridor. It's called Chicken Neck, 22 km width and 120 km long. That terrain sensitive for India's connectivity northeastern state. That reason Indian government started that project on 2021 and January 2026 its project has completed and our Prime Minister inaugurated that project. They conducted their exercise, participated Rafale, Tejas, Sukhoi 30 Mark 1 and logistic aircraft and also civilian. Those participated in that exercise successfully conducted exercise and inaugurated that emergency landing strip. It's the first northeast state emergency landing strip. Talking about what's the future benefit for India? There has sensitive place, Chicken Neck corridor. That corridor has alternative route, Kaladan multimodal transit project, which has started from Kolkata port to Sitwe port of Myanmar and Myanmar Kaladan river through connect Mizoram. That means it's alternative route we already built, but in future warfare during war they required emergency logistic provide and emergency ammunition and manpower. If India fight with any countries toward northeast side, so they are required within less time provide them manpower, weapon ammunition and emergency food. And that emergency landing strip helpful for the future of northeastern state. Second main reason, there has the distance China LAC around 160 km away from that state, Myanmar 320 km and Bangladesh 400 km away from that state. As well as military strategy, it's called defense strategy through how it's important for the India. Northeast state there has 120 national highway and Moran town where they build a strip. It's a center place of a northeastern state. That means in the future will require provide the logistic within a day, so that place, that way and that spot helpful for within a day provided all logistic, because there has connected NH27, NH127, NH315, NH317, those all national highway. NH40 and NH51, those are near from that spot. Talking about the military base, around 30 military base has in northeast state. They require ammunition and manpower, so it's a base helpful in emergency and alternative in the future. INS Louis, its naval has located in Brahmaputra river near Guwahati. The distance around 200 to 250 km from emergency strip to Guwahati. That means INS Louis, it's an emergency logistic carrier. In the future, we required that INS Louis to provide logistic manpower through Brahmaputra river at Arunachal Pradesh. So that reason, it's also helpful for India. Second, their thing, there has 8 states called north side Arunachal Pradesh, north west side Sikkim, east side Nagaland, Manipur, south east side Mizoram, south side Tripura, south west side Meghalaya. Those 8 states has located around Assam, and those 8 states has air base. Their sovereignty air base located in their respected state. In the future happened an incident, so this emergency landing helpful regarding military strategy called defense strategy. Next things which are helpful for the India, that means there has Brahmaputra river which has a distance around 60 to 70 km from that place. In future, there has presence INS Louis. Emergency, natural disaster like flood, earthquake and heavy rain struck in Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Mizoram, because those states share their coastline with Bay of Bengal, and most of earthquake struck in Assam. So that reason emergency humanitarian aid required provide to those states, and this emergency landing helpful for them. I would like to conclude the topic. Those types airbase helpful for not only the emergency situation, but also it's save the money of the government, because peacetime it's utilized by the vehicles, civilians as highway, and emergency time it's quickly convert into emergency landing strip. So that reason dual multitasking that highway helpful for the northeast state peoples. Thank you so much friends who are listening and watching this video. I hope that information very helpful for your upcoming examination. Thank you so much.